Hi, welcome back to the channel. I am PokeSly-AZ. Hit that like, share, subscribe, and stay hydrated. We are surpassed our 1077. We're now 1080. Don't mind me drawing that. Again, hit that like button. Let's get to 10 likes. Thank you, viewers. We have two separate vending machine days. Let's save these two mega. Let's save these Destin, and let's open a journey together. Guess the energy. Let's go with, and this is the last card we pulled. We pulled a cool looking telepathic energy. That's kind of weird to say. Code card for you code snipers. Let's go with electric energy. Boom. I was gonna say green energy too. Grass energy. We have that. Gideon, Cubone. Oh, that artwork looks beautiful. The Chunky Chew. Ends Jolted. Hops Anaconda. Caparaja. Ends Castle. Paldean Pooper Scooper. A reverse Shelmet. Let's go. We'll take it Ends. Zorark EX. That looks pretty cool. Light action. We will take that. From Journey Together. I don't think I have this, but I'll take it. Like, share, subscribe, and have a beautiful day. Peace.